There, this video's next week's extreme. Disrupted nationwide Arctic snow blizzard. Weather forecast UK 24. That's video. That's the thumbs up the sunscreen right now. The date today is the 10th of January, Wednesday evening, 24 guys. The place of interest today will have global temperature at the west coast of South America, east and central and western base region, North Pacific Ocean, upper global temperature, North Atlantic, upper global temperature, west coast of Africa, upper global temperature, and the Gulf of Mexico, upper global temperature. Let's see what's going on today, guys. Wow, it's all Game of Thrones. It's not even fire bloodstone. It's not being a cold winter with the super El Nino going on across the Pacific region right now. I'm not joking, guys. It's going to be quite toxic because it's very hot across the North Pacific Ocean and North Atlantic Ocean still. It's not in the spring or the summer yet, guys. Oh, almighty. You're talking about some very extreme weather anomalies because the southeast of Asia, east of North America, the northwest of North America, of course, northwestern Europe. This coming, you name it, spring and summer. We're talking about, I wouldn't be surprised, 50 Celsius across, you name it, Northeast America, probably 45 Celsius across northwestern Europe around the UK. And very stormy this year, guys, and very extreme weather conditions this spring of 24 coming across the northern hemisphere as well. It's going to be quite toxic. Very dangerous, this super El Nino. It's very toxic weather, guys, across the northern hemisphere for 2024. You have been warned by me. I literally am not stoned. I'm always 85% right about the climate around the world globally. You have been warned by me, guys. Look out, look out. Here comes the warmer weather. And this is 2024, guys. Forecast you today in January. I'm going for 14th of January to about high pressure retrograding up towards Greenland, to about North Arctic blast, cold air coming from the north in the UK. Then you've got low pressure mixing into that, we call moisture being snow. This is across the UK, central parts of the UK, let alone maybe across the south for some reasons. Could be a lot of snow with GFS midnight, GFS model. We're getting today, guys. This is as extreme as it gets, guys, with the weather across the UK. And then it gets very stormy and wet again. More rain. We don't need more rain across the UK. This is bad news, guys. This is as extreme as it gets. And this is the upper, air temperature. You talk about if you're down there, at least above that little dotted line, that means if you're in that area, you would like to get snow across the UK. See if you're in the green area, let alone the blue area, with -10 up air temperature for Scotland. So looking pretty wintry, pretty brutal weather next week. Lots of extreme weather conditions, very uncertain. A lot of weather anomalies coming our way next week, guys, across the UK. Don't be surprised if we get a lot of snow across the UK. I wouldn't be surprised. It's nationwide. I'm not joking. We might even get snow across the southeastern regions. It's on a knife edge, guys. It's about very warm air in the future coming in across the UK. The default system is always to get out of this cold weather where the GFS models try to find a way out of it, guys. They're always looking for a way out of it, including the Icon. All the commuters are trying to get out of it when it's swinging cold air. And this is the upper air temperature across Woking Town locally today we're looking at, which is fascinating. Red lines are 30. The red lines are 30 upper air temperature. The white lines are the temperature is going. It's going up a little bit. It does go down. Around here, these rainfall spikes might be snow spikes. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these actually we get snow here for a while because Woking Town locally. It might settle, depending on how cold the temperature is and the ground is, how cold it is. If it's cold enough, it's a frost, we might settle. But it's all to play for, guys. And you talk about a lot of rain in the future. It doesn't look too good from the flood perspective. Not good, guys. Not good at all. The white lines with the temperature going, so it does recover the temperature eventually. The operation rather is interesting. That is going below 24. Very interesting. And this is the weather forecast Woking Town today. Looking at the weather tomorrow, more or less. Wow, it's very cold. Italy, northeastern winds 6 miles per hour. It's a little bit warmer, slightly warmer on that day. It's not very warm at the Celsius on Friday, quite grey and cloudy. Then it gets colder again. -2 Celsius potentially in the morning. Like I said, depends on the cloud amounts we get. We might get a lot of snow this week. Moisture amounts will vary. It looks like a lot of rain. They offer to go for rain next Wednesday. They're not confident about it. It's snowing too much. They're being safe. They're a bit nervous. But I feel confident it will snow next week quite a lot. But it might not. Who knows? This is the GFS 12 said GFS model. And this is literally going for a big snow event across the UK on the, the 20th of January at 3 a.m. in the morning. A lot of snow, especially down across the southeast, which is interesting, in southern regions coming in. And then this is the, it said GFS model, and this is going for a big snow event on Saturday, the 20th of January in the morning at midnight. A lot of snow across the southeastern regions. This is interesting, very interesting. A lot of heavy snow, guys, coming across the UK, let alone across the south, and across Scotland. You see there, quite nationwide. And that date, the 5th, the 17th of January to about 1500 Wednesday, a snow event with GFS midnight run, and that one day, the next day as well, 18th of January, 9 a.m. in the morning. It's all to play for. It's all up for grabs for the weather forecast in the future, guys. And this is the floods across the UK right now. This is the flood warnings and flood alerts. The red is flood warning, and amber is literally flood alerts. This is the River Thames. So Woking Town. to see what's going on. You see why where the floods are right now. And this is an SSW, I reckon, at 10 HP across the North Pole right now. You're talking about an SSW, I'm not joking. It is literally, I'm not joking. This is my weather forecast, I could be wrong. You see this colour here? That is going to penetrate the North Pole. Literally, in the split of the vortex of doom. That's the split, guys. That's an SSW. This is my weather forecast. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, channel, and sign in. That's what's video.